this is my new favorite waterfall of all time. We are here in Luang Prabang. We got here yesterday on a minibus after 3 great days in Van Vian, and now we are excited to explore in this area for the next few days.
It's 7:30 now. We're getting an early start this morning because we've got a 30-kilometer ride out to the Quang Si waterfalls. Ready?
Yep.
We had made it. It took us a little less than an hour to get here. It was a really cold ride. We're definitely not the first ones here, but there are only 6 scooters, so that's a good sign.
Cup chai. There are multiple levels of this waterfall, and we are making our way up to the top now. It is so beautiful, and from what we understand, it's only going to get better.
I was honestly pretty skeptical from some of the photos we'd seen of this place because the water looked fake, but that is legitimately what it looks like.
This waterfall is unreal. This is one of those places that gets really hyped up online, but for good reason. 100% it lives up to the hype. This place is absolutely beautiful.
The views from down here are amazing, but it's time to head further up. Jess is just checking to see if we can get out to one of the other levels.
I think there's a way to get down over there.
I'm so proud of her for breaking the rules.
Time to go for a swim.
Down we go. We gotta go in there. How cool is this? That little fern cave has to be the coolest waterfall feature I have ever seen. Time to head out.
Be careful, sir. That was so cool, and now it's time to head back down.
Back to the stairs.
That was seriously amazing. We had initially walked all the way up to the top of the waterfall, and it looked like you could swim up there, but honestly, it just wasn't really what we were looking for. I am so glad we kept searching. That has to be the coolest waterfall swim spot we have ever been to. There's a lot more people here now.
It actually looked like there was another swim hole just below where we were. We never could find where it was, but it looked like there was already a half a dozen people there, and we had ours all to ourselves. And now we're back at the bottom and there are a ton of people here. This looks a lot different than it did this morning when we were walking up. A lot different.
The blue color of this waterfall is honestly pretty unbelievable.
It's insane.
And I'm just gonna go ahead and say it. This is my new favorite waterfall of all time.
And we have been to a lot of waterfalls. When we first got here, we were one of 4 motorbikes and there was 1 truck here.
How are we gonna get there on motorbike?
I don't even know which one's ours, to be honest. Stopping for lunch.
Cup chai.
You got a flat tire.
The good news is we're pretty close to our place. You know, I can't even really be mad here because we have, relatively speaking, been very, very lucky on the motorbike. And this is a less than fortunate situation, but the fact that it happened less than a kilometer from our place could have been a lot worse. I didn't even feel it. I just heard something and Miles said, we have a flat tire.
We walked by this place and they said they could fix it for 35,000 kip in about 15 minutes. Hopefully that's the case. Good as new. Returned the bike with no issues and we're just gonna get cleaned up and ready for dinner tonight.
We are venturing back out for dinner and I'm super excited because this should be a really cool spot.
The restaurant we're going to tonight's on the other side of the Nam Khan River, so we just paid 7,000 kip a piece to cross this bamboo bridge.
But that does cover the cost to rebuild it every year after rainy season.
Did not see that coming.
Expecting that.
So this is our first style barbecue. We kind of got a little bit of an overview, but we really don't know what we're doing. So here it goes.
How's it going so far?
It's an experience.
I don't think we're very good at it.
No.
How'd you do?
I think I did pretty well. The broth is really good. I don't know how much of that we get to take credit for.
I added a lot of chili and garlic to it.
That really was a cool experience, but I can't say that I'm full, so we're gonna check out the night market. Not mad about this. Cup chai.
Pretty perfect way to end the day.